There she is. Are you hungry? Are you cold?
Yeah, I'm sure she is. There's footprints going in now.
Is this the house that was flooding? Oh, it is.
Yeah.
This is the one you originally thought she was in.
But this is completely open right here. She's got to be in there.
Okay, so you go down to the basement. Hopefully I'll block her up here. And you got your phone? Okay.
Hi. What are you doing up here? What are you doing up here? It's got to be freezing cold for you. You want to go bye-bye? Let's get out of here and go somewhere warm, okay? Come on. It's very scary. It's okay. Will you go bye-bye with me? It's okay. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, okay? I know. I want you to go bye-bye with me. Okay? Yeah.
Where are you?
Right here. You are freezing up here. And you, of course you pick a room and it's got the breeze open. Yeah. You ready? We're gonna go bye-bye. We gotta go all the way to the basement. It's gonna be the easiest way to get out, okay? Let's go bye-bye.
Good girl.
Let's go bye-bye. Come on, you wanna go bye-bye? Let's go where it's warm. You wanna go where it's warm? Huh? I'm sorry. Okay. Come on, let's go bye-bye. Okay.
Come on, baby. You are beautiful.
Come on, Mama. Let's go.
You are so
Come on,
beautiful.
let's go bye-bye. Come on. Can you come up? Come on. Come on, get up.
It's okay. Come on.
Would it help if I move this? Okay. Come on. You ready?
Let's get out of here.
Come on, let's go where it's warm.
You're gonna be
I promise
so
the Jeep will
warm.
be so warm. Come on, let's go.
Beautiful girl.
You ready?
Just go, baby.
Easy. Easy. Good girl.
Hi, baby. Good girl.
Easy.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's go be brave.
It's gonna be no one just. I know it's wet and gross. Come on.
Good girl.
Good girl. Go to the Jeep.
Good girl. It's okay.
And then we'll worry about the trip.
Good girl. It's okay.
You look like you're ready to get in.
She's like, hell yeah.
Come here, Mama.
This is freezing.
Come on.
Let's go.
Good girl. Good girl.
Good girl.
You stay right
I
there.
have blankies for you.
That is the best freaking feeling.
You are
I knew
warm.
you were back here somewhere. Let's get the heat on. Did you gonna give me a kids? What are you giving me? And your tail wagging too. And your tail's wagging. Yes.
You coming up?
You got it.
Are you coming up here?
Come on, you got it.
Can you even believe this is happening to you?
I love you. I love you. I love
love you. You are so sweet. Oh my gosh. She's like, I had no idea this was going to happen to me.
Wow, you got cute.
Huh? You think about that. 15 minutes ago, what was your life like? Even 10. Yeah, what was it like 10 minutes ago?
Horrible.
Yes, and now look where you is. Now look where you is. She says, I just want to see it all.
You are so silly.